Ever wondered what's lurking in the dark corners of space? Imagine a black hole, free from its galaxy, silently drifting through the cosmos. These cosmic nomads are real. They're out there, and scientists are racing to track them down. So how does a black hole go rogue? It starts with a cosmic dance of destruction. When two galaxies crash into each other, yeah, that actually happens, their central black holes get pulled into a wild gravitational tango. Think of it like a slingshot game, but on a mind-blowing scale. As these massive objects swing around each other, they build up incredible speed. Sometimes one of them gets launched right out of its home galaxy at millions of miles per hour. It's like getting kicked out of your house, except your house is an entire galaxy. These space outcasts can even drag along a few stars and clouds of gas, creating their own mini solar system as they zoom through space. Let's talk speed. These cosmic rebels are the fastest objects we've ever found in space. We're talking about black holes zooming through the universe at a whopping 3.7 million miles per hour. To put that in perspective, if you could drive your car at that speed, you'd reach Mars in about 15 minutes. But here's the wild part. Some rogue black holes move so fast they could escape entire galaxy clusters. They're basically breaking the cosmic speed limit. These speed demons got their incredible velocity from that initial galactic collision, like a cosmic game of pool where the cue ball hits so hard, one ball flies right off the table. The energy from these galaxy crashes is absolutely mind-boggling. It's enough to send objects weighing millions of times more than our sun hurtling through space like cosmic bullets. Here's the really scary part about rogue black holes. We can barely see them coming. These cosmic ninjas are practically invisible until they're right on top of us. Think about it. Black holes don't exactly carry flashlights, and space is incredibly dark. The only way we spot them is by watching how they mess with everything around them. It's like trying to find an invisible cat by looking for paw prints in the snow. When a rogue black hole passes near a cloud of gas or stars, it creates a trail of chaos, warping light, pulling in matter, and creating superheated disks of glowing material. Scientists have to be cosmic detectives, looking for these telltale signs of gravitational mayhem. Sometimes, we only notice them when they're already snacking on an unfortunate star or gas cloud they've encountered on their journey. Let's bring this cosmic horror story a bit closer to home. Right now, astronomers are tracking a rogue black hole just 5,000 light-years away, practically our cosmic backyard. Sure, that sounds far, but in space terms, it's like finding out there's a T-Rex in the next state over. This wanderer, weighing about 7 times more than our sun, is cruising through the Milky Way's spiral arms. But don't pack your bags for Mars just yet. Our galaxy is mostly empty space, so the chances of a rogue black hole causing trouble for Earth are super tiny. It's like trying to hit a specific mosquito with a tennis ball while blindfolded, in the Grand Canyon. Ready for some mind-bending science? Tracking rogue black holes is like being a space detective with some seriously cool tools. First up, gravity waves. When black holes move through space, they create ripples in space-time. Imagine dropping a bowling ball into a cosmic pool. These ripples spread across the universe, and we catch them with super-sensitive laser detectors called LIGO. But that's not all. Remember how black holes bend light? When they pass in front of distant stars, they create a cosmic magnifying glass effect. Stars appear to dance and multiply in a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. By measuring these cosmic light shows and gravity ripples, scientists can map out where these sneaky space monsters are heading. Let's run a cosmic disaster simulation. If a rogue black hole wandered into our solar system, we'd have front-row seats to the most extreme demolition derby in history. First, it would mess up the orbits of our outer planets like a cosmic bowling ball. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, they'd be yanked out of their neat circular paths. Jupiter might actually help protect us by taking one for the team, getting pulled in first. As the black hole got closer, Earth's orbit would start to wobble like a wobbly plate. The Moon? It could get stolen right from us. Our oceans would go crazy with megatides, and earthquakes would shake everything up. But remember, Space is ridiculously huge, and this scenario is about as likely as winning the lottery while getting struck by lightning twice. Here's the good news about spotting a rogue black hole headed our way. We'd probably have centuries of warning. These cosmic giants might be fast, but space is mind-bogglingly huge. Even if a black hole was charging straight at us at 4 million miles per hour, we'd likely spot its effects decades or even centuries before it reached our solar system. Our telescopes would catch it messing with star positions, and gravitational wave detectors would pick up its space-time ripples way in advance. That's plenty of time for humanity to, well, panic first, then maybe figure out how to build some sweet space colonies. Though honestly, if we can spot it disturbing stars thousands of light years away, we'll have enough time to write a few million research papers about it too. Ready for a number that'll make your head spin? Scientists estimate there are around 100 million rogue black holes cruising through our galaxy right now. That's like having 100 million cosmic vacuum cleaners floating around the Milky Way. But don't freak out. Our galaxy is so massive that these wanderers are super spread out. Think of it this way. If our galaxy was the size of Earth, each rogue black hole would have about as much space as a house cat in Russia. They're out there living their best nomad life, mostly hanging out in the empty space between stars. It's actually pretty wild. About 1 in every 1,000 black holes goes rogue at some point. Space really is the ultimate wilderness. You might think of Jupiter and Saturn as just those big planets with cool rings and spots, but they're actually Earth's cosmic bodyguards. These gas giants are like massive vacuum cleaners, using their enormous gravitational pull to catch space debris, comets, and yes, even potentially dangerous wandering objects like rogue black holes. Jupiter's gravity is so strong it can yank incoming threats into completely new orbits or swallow them whole. Remember Shoemaker Levy 9? That comet smashed into Jupiter in 1994, giving us a front-row seat to our solar system's security system in action. If it weren't for these giant bouncers, Earth would be getting pelted with way more cosmic debris. Want to know what's cooking in the cosmic security department? Scientists are leveling up our space defense game with some seriously cool tech. We've got new gravitational wave detectors that can spot space ripples from farther away than ever before. Think of them as cosmic burglar alarms. Then there's the next generation of space telescopes like the James Webb's beefier cousins that can spot the tiniest wobbles in starlight from super far away. But here's the really wild part. We're developing AI systems that can process all this data way faster than humans. These artificial brains can spot patterns we might miss, giving us a better chance at catching any sneaky space visitors before they get too close. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the cosmos. If you enjoyed learning about these sneaky space travelers, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending space facts. Share with your friends, they'll thank you later.